I paid someone $200 on Fiverr to create me a new logo and new art for our YouTube channel and all of my social medias. Whoops. Oh, and by the way, this is not a sponsored video at all. Not sponsored. Trust me, I decided to just go on this site myself because I was looking for some help with my channel and the art of the channel and everything like that. And this is something that I felt like it was super easy, that I could just go in there, put in what details that I wanted done, and it would kind of give me an end product. And then with the fact that I decided to purchase the premium package from this guy, I have unlimited revisions, so I can pretty much go back in and tell this guy that, hey, no, I don't like this little part, can we tweak that? And everything is fine. He'll go ahead and tweak it for me, and I'll be happy with everything in the end. So I think it's a really cool platform, and that's why I'm making a video on it, because hey, I think that you guys could probably use this too if you're looking for any kind of work like this. And then go ahead and make sure you guys stay till the end of the video, because I will be choosing the 25 lucky winners of the AED Wi-Fi light bulbs from a couple weeks past. Now that contest is basically closed today. Today is Thursday. I posted it on two Thursdays ago, I believe it was. So the contest is done today, and I will be choosing the winners. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the YouTube random comment picker, and I'm gonna pick 25 people. So make sure you stay to the end of the video, and you will see if you are one of the lucky winners. But for now, let's go ahead and switch the view, and I'll show you guys kind of the process of how I found the new logo designer, and I will show you which logo we decided to go with in the next few steps we're gonna take for redesigning the channel. Alright guys, so now that we are on Fiverr, let's go ahead and get into this website real quick. I'll give you a quick little rundown of what it is and kind of what you can do, and then I'll kind of just really quickly take you through my process, what I said I wanted, and what we're gonna be getting. So, just on Fiverr, you can pretty much select any of these things right here and kind of pick whatever you want to do on their site. They got graphics design, digital marketing, you get the idea. You can kind of search, like I just went to logo design, clicked on that, and you can use their little helpful logo designer finder right here to help you kind of narrow down what you want, or you can just pretty much go down in through their whole list right here and find something that you like. And I ended up landing on, let's see, this guy right here. His name is Harshus, I believe is how you pronounce it. Sorry man if you end up seeing this video somehow. Sorry if I butchered your name. But anyway, so I really like the overall aesthetic of what he had right here. It looks very professional. He does these really minimalistic logos like this. I didn't really go with anything that was like gold and black like this, but he does do those logos. They look really nice. And I like how he has it all laid out. He does like logos on your business cards, on any kind of stationery and stuff like that. And with the premium package that I bought, that all was included. So like you can see here, his basic package was 50 bucks, which was reasonable, and then you go up to 115, and then the premium package, like I said, $195, but it comes with the priority VIP support, which you can ask him for anything whenever you need it. Comes with all the files, so you can edit them yourself, which was very important to me, because I felt like if I ever needed to edit something and maybe create something on my own, which I like to do, I'm able to do that. And it adds the business cards that are double-sided, letterheads, all social media stuff that you request. So it pretty much had everything that I wanted, and that's what I did. So I got in contact with him. You end up filling out this list that basically asks you a couple of different questions. Each seller is different, but this guy asked a bunch of different questions. So I really like the way he did it, because it asked all the correct questions to make sure that you are getting exactly what you wanted. So I was very happy with what Harshus here did and what questions he asked, because it helped me even decide what I was looking for, because really, like I said, I was super indecisive and I almost didn't even know what I wanted. So I just pretty much looked at his questions, searched a lot of Google images, different fonts, different pictures of logos, and kind of narrowed it down to a couple of things that I wanted. So here is my new logos right here. So with this package, he does include 3 different logo designs. So here's version 3. This is kind of what it looks like right here. So let's go ahead and open this up and bring that back over here. So yeah, so this was like the third one. This was like the one that was kind of definitely different than what I was asking for, kind of something that was a little, I don't know, like is colorful, but like just really different than what I was mainly asking. And I think that was on purpose to maybe give me another idea. I like it, but it just wasn't exactly what I was looking for. So we ended up not going with this one. Let's check out the second one. This one I also thought was pretty cool. There it is right there for the RA visual stuff. Now the one thing I just didn't like about this one was just the way that the icon looks and how it connected. I'm not really a fan of how the R bends right there because it still kind of looks like an A. So I decided not to go with this one either. But I do like the overall design of this one. You guys will see that this is pretty much what the real logo is going to end up looking like. So let's go ahead with this one. So as you can see, version 1 is the one that I picked, and this is the one that I really enjoy. I think it looks super awesome, you guys. I really love what he did with the geometric shaping. I like how the R and the A connect, and I can use this right here as a standalone icon, and I think it looks really awesome. And then I like what he did with the type right here. It looks more futuristic, more modern, kind of ties in with the whole technology things that we do on the channel, and then, you know, kind of ties everything together, which is what I asked him to do. Something that looks professional, but also can kind of be taken as like a technology type channel. So I asked a little bit of this guy, so I actually am very impressed that he was able to come up with something that I liked right away. So this right here, I honestly did not ask him to tweak it at all. I love it just the way it stands, and I hope you guys agree with that. I think it looks really awesome, and I think it's going to be something that's really awesome to stay for the channel. And I'm really excited about it. The one thing that I did have him revise, which, like I said, because I bought the premium package, you get unlimited revisions. I had him revise this right here, the social media stuff. So he kind of just gave me these covers with just the logo on it, but I told him to revise it and give me something a little more stylized. And that was my fault, actually, because I didn't really give him any kind of direction with the covers. I just asked him, or I told him which covers that I wanted. I didn't really kind of tell him what I wanted on them at all. So that wasn't his fault. I kind of just went back in there and I asked him, hey, so if the YouTube banner is going to look like this, can we do something with the background and maybe make it stylized looking, maybe add, you know, my tech, photo, video, all that kind of stuff in there to kind of show what the channel actually does when people land on it. So he's going to go ahead and do that for me, and then obviously you guys will end up seeing that when it's done and when I add it to the channel. But I really just wanted to show this to you guys because I've been seeing a bunch of these videos pop up about people using Fiverr for stuff, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I did have a really good experience with it on my first try. Of course, I did spend some money, but I think that if you guys do want something that is actually like quality and it's well done, I think you're gonna have to spend a little bit of money, and I honestly don't mind that for the fact that I get all the source files, I get as many revisions as I want. I can always go back to him and ask him to help me with something else if I want. Very awesome guy. He actually looks like he lives on the other side of the world is what he told me, and the time difference is probably like 12 hours. So even with that, he was very good at communicating to me, and I really appreciate him for all his work. And I think that if you guys are looking for something like this too, you may not even need to spend $200 like I did, but I just wanted to let you guys know that if you were thinking about doing something like this and you wanted to spend a bit of money on Fiverr, it's not a ripoff. Like, this guy actually, I think he did a really good job. I'll actually show you guys this too. The business card layout that he did for me, oh my god, you guys. This looks awesome, okay? I love this. Like, I cannot wait to print these business cards and give them to people when they ask me for my information if they wanted me to do stuff for them in the actual, you know, business world. Okay, next, as promised, we're gonna go ahead and get into the random comment picker here on the internet that I see all the YouTubers using. So I think it's fair. It's gonna pick a random comment that you guys commented on the video for the AED light bulbs, and we're gonna go ahead and pick 25 winners right now. All right, so we're gonna create a new blank document here. We're gonna say contest winners. Oh, let's type that right. All right, now I'm gonna save everybody's name right here. So here we go. First winner is right there. We'll go ahead and copy that and paste it in here. Alright, so thank you for checking out this video, you guys. I really appreciate you guys coming on my channel and checking my content out. Congratulations to you guys that did win, and if you didn't, there's always next time. I'm going to be doing more giveaways on my channel anyway, so don't fret. It looks like almost everybody that entered this one won. So as this channel gets bigger, obviously that won't happen anymore. But I'm really glad that at least since I'm a smaller channel, everybody did have a chance to win, and it looks like almost everybody did. So again, there's my 25 winners that I picked right there, and I will contact the seller right now, and I will have them pick their 25 as well, and I will have all 50 listed in the description below, so you guys can check that out. And make sure that you guys find your name and then contact the seller with the link that I show you guys. Otherwise, you're not going to get your light bulb. So this is the last thing that you guys have to do. You have to get in contact with the seller, give them your information so they can ship you the light bulb, okay? So if you guys do not do that, you won't receive your light bulb. So make sure you guys check the link in the description. Make sure you guys give him your information and you will receive that light bulb, all right? So if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you guys get subscribed to the channel, turn the notifications on so you can be notified when I do my next video. I have a lot of new stuff to bring you guys, and I can't wait to use my new logo and my new intro and everything like that. So it's gonna be really awesome. I got a ton of stuff to bring you guys, and I'm really excited about it. But until the next video, I will see you later. Bye.